Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So I'll be doing a protein treatment. I'm using bama, I'm using egg, and I'm going to be using olive oil. Just these three ingredients I'm using to do this protein treatment. Okay, so first off, I am going to separate our egg yolk from our egg whites because I only need my egg yolk, not the egg white. So it's the egg yolk I'm going to be using for today's treatment. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So this is the egg yolk I'll be using. If your hair is more than mine, you can use 2 eggs. Okay, so I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, okay, for my hair, and I'm going to make sure I mix everything together. After mixing everything together, I have noticed that the whole mayonnaise have dissolved inside the egg. Then I am going to be adding my olive oil. I was supposed to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil, but the oil pour excess, so I just mix everything together. So this is the consistency we have. I love how it looks like. This is what we have, and this is what we are going to be working with. So I decided to transfer it into this my applicator bottle so that it's easier for me to apply this on my hair. But if you don't have this applicator bottle, you can use your hand and apply it as well. Just know that you have to do this in the bathroom so that you don't mess your environment. I just finished washing my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. So we're going to apply this on my hair. I washed my hair off camera. So I'm going to apply this on my hair. I'm going to make sure that I start from the end, sorry, from the root of my hair down to the ends of my hair. Like from the root, you do it down to the ends of your hair. I'm almost done with this. I'm going to make sure I squeeze out everything, place it on my hair, drag it down to the end of my hair. Make sure that every of this protein treatment is touching all over my head. This is an amazing treatment, okay? When you are suffering from breakage or when you notice that your hair is lacking protein, you just need to do this. It's just 3 ingredients. You can find it in your kitchen. You don't need to break the bank when you are doing protein treatment on your hair. This is always my go-to protein treatment on my hair. I did this particular protein treatment of last year. This is the video you are seeing when my hair is still in 2 colors, and this is my hair right now, the one in black. Okay, so I noticed that my hair is different, okay, like the volume, the length is of my hair is different from the one I did of last year. So I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag. If you are using a cling film, is fine. So I'm using this plastic bag so I can throw it away. I was just checking my muscle. I was like, do I have this huge muscle like this? That's what I was looking at. Anyway, so I'm just gonna tie this, and I'll wear my hair shower nets, shower cap. Yes, I'm gonna wear that. So I left this for 40 minutes on my hair, and this is after 40 minutes. I'm going to rinse this out of my hair. So this is what my hair looks like. Okay, I love the fact that it has really entered my hair. So this is me rinsing it out. You don't need to use hot water, use warm water because of its egg. So you use warm water to rinse it out of your hair. And I placed a bowl under so that the water can be dropping inside there, so I can throw it away, not for it to be splashing on the floor. Okay, so because of its egg. So guys, this is what I did. I rinsed it out with cold water, and after rinsing it out, I still applied my condition on my hair. You don't need to use shampoo because so far you have shampooed your hair. This is like a deep condition protein treatment. So after you have put this on your hair, you can now condition your hair and style your hair. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying this, or have you done this egg combination before? It's so easy to do and your hair is going to love it. So this is the condition I'm using. I'm just using an apple condition. Is does not have any sulfur inside, so it's sulfur free. So I'm going to use this to condition my hair. And as I was conditioning my hair, I noticed water enters my eye, so I had to like use my sense to do the rest of my condition. So soap entered inside my eyes. I had to rinse it out. I left this condition on my hair for like 10 minutes. Okay, and this is what my hair looks like after 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.